this May, the University of Portland held its annual commencement in the Chiles Center. 52 student athletes graduated this year, walking across the stage with an average cumulative GPA of 3.44 as a class, including 46 seniors with a 3-point GPA or higher. This year, we bring you the sights and sounds of the graduation with a few of our student athletes mic'd up throughout the weekend.
What a great day to be at the University of Portland and in this great city. It's just a beautiful day, and there's so much good to come today. I'm so excited, and every one of you today who worked so hard for your diploma, whether undergraduate or graduate, we love you here at the University of Portland. We love your energy. We love your passion. We love how you grew up before our eyes. We loved how you make mistakes and learn from them. We loved how your dreams grew bigger by the minute. We loved how you discovered your best friends and your deepest soul. We love how you're going to go out and recharge and redo our world. It needs it right now. We will miss you more than you'll know. You made us deeper and better, and you will always, always be a part of the University of Portland.
You're most improved.
I accept that award.
We should have like six-man award too. Six-man, MVP, coach of the year. We should have all of the NBA awards.
I was thinking about like September. I never in my memory have I not been in school in a September, you know? Yeah. And this September I'm not gonna be in school. I'm what's it gonna feel like, you know?
By the authority vested in me as president of the University of Portland and in the name of the Board of Regents and the faculty, I solemnly and publicly confer on these candidates the degree recommended and admit these students to all the rights, privileges, and honors, as well as the obligations and responsibilities related to the degree. Dean, you may read the candidates.
You're cum laude.
I am. Luckily enough. Thank you.
Check college off the list, I guess. We done.
Hi. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, I know, it's so weird. Hi.
2016, graduation. We did it. We did it. Gavin F.